Hey guys, I'm about to show you guys how I make my rice. When you wait till the pot get hot, put the oil in there, you put your seasoning in there, let it sit for a little bit. Okay. Next, I'm gonna add the beans, this is pinto beans. Okay, I add season in the beans to season the bean, and I'm gonna stir it a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm about to pour, that's the water that came from the beans that I boiled the beans a little bit, let it cook for a little bit before I cook the rice with it. I have coconut in it. And you basically put the water in it, and you can add a little bit of water if you're cooking a whole pot of rice. Okay, this is the water that I added. This is how much you need. Okay, I added parsley. This is butter, which is this Haitian butter. It's called Lily, and Scott bonnet. And then you just cover the water, let it boil, rinse your rice. You'll wash your rice and then put the rice in there. This is the rice. I washed it, drained it, and I'm about to dump it in here. Okay, and I'm about to stir it, guys. Okay, guys, I'm making stew conch with shrimp. So right now I have the shrimp marinated with the oil. Oil's already steamed. And then when I come back, I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning in it to make sure that it's tasty. Okay, guys, I'm back. I added a little season. I added a little pepper and cayenne pepper with pepper and complete season. Just let it sit here for a little bit till the shrimp is cooked. And this was raw shrimp. Make sure the shrimp is cooked well. Okay, and I'll be back with the finished product, guys. Hanging tight. Alright, this is the finished touch, guys. Look at this. Nice. Just add a little onion on the top, bell peppers. Make it nice. Okay, frying a little plantains to go with the stew conch and the shrimp. Just drain it. Right. Alright, this is the finished touch.